Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a rectangle border color using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a rectangle. I'll change the rectangle border color. First select this tools option and select comment option. Now click on this rectangle and here you will find this color option and select your border option. Now change the rectangle border color and see this one. Also you can change the border thickness. Yeah. Also you can add more color. Is gear option settings. Now select appearance option. This is color option border and other color you can add here this color and select OK and see this rectangle border color now change and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.